We can come back, but the time is gone. I'm done running to escape from your love. Don't lie, 'cause I know your heart. Don't try looking for someone to forget. 'Cause I gave you my whole life, and instead you gave me nothing. And you left me here lonely, hey, hey. I was lost on my own way. I will never be the same girl, but someone told me never lose faith. We can come back.
Welcome to my fishing adventures. We're at Billingford Lakes and we're going to do a free rod approach for the 16th of July 2024. Got some big fish in there. We're on the Great Lake at Billingford. Some lovely tension there as well. I'll show you a pan of the swim as well. I'll show you the sort of bait approach over time. I'll show you as the video goes on. The sort of bait approach I like doing here. We've got some 20 mils, we've got 15 mil. I'm going to also do a big bed of hemp as well, just for the tench. And last time I caught some good carp and stuff, just because I doing it that way as well. So, alright. Fish.
Fucking on the face again. Twat. And again.
Sure.
So I've got my camera behind my back.
Three.
Three, okay. We'll work that out in a minute.
Take some good photos and stuff. There we go then. New PB. Thank you very much. First day, lovely jubbly.
Massive PB as well.
Look at this.
And you've got the right side as well, because that's the nice side of the fish.
Well, this is day 2 really. Well, we've had a 25. Come on, get in. I lost one probably a bit earlier on, which is probably about sort of 2 o'clock really. I lost one. I think I was just a hook pill. It took me all the way around the lake. Then my 25 came about 4:30 in the afternoon. So nothing done the night. Looking alright today. They're warmer today. I think it's about 22 degrees today. So come on, bring it on, and I'll keep really. I mean, I'm making these videos, but it's just on the bottom what you want to see, and I'll make it really. I've got a new camera, so you have to tell me how the footage is coming on. Right, we're on day 2. What I've tried to do, I've reeled in one which is high, got the one at the top. I've got one just there, and I've got one just there. As the sun's got up, they've come closer and closer. Got a pop up on where that there it is, probably another 1.5 to 2 foot over him. What about here? I've got a hemp which I keep putting out, which is over. keep putting paper or whatever, and I'll keep putting it there. Later on tonight, I'll put something on there. Forget all right. The last one came from there. Keep going. Right, what I've got here is I've got some korda drill. I've got a little pop up. This little main line, a little main line, essential cell. Drilling into it, a couple of mil. You don't need a lot. Just keep drilling through. Just take it your time. Just drill in, really quite slowly. Just make sure you don't go all the way through the other side. Make sure it's nice and clean inside. There's your drill. And then get your little cork. Push it in pop up, or push it in the pop up. See some pop ups, I mean, they'll stay, but you just want it there. I mean, if you're fishing in 15 foot of water, so I want to try and make sure every time I put it out, I mean, I'm going to use a bait built, I'll show you that in a minute, that I'm going to make sure it's always just literally critically balanced off my hook. So the hook's flat on the lake floor, and that's just sitting above the hook. It's literally sitting on the side of the hook. There it is. Now I'm showing you what I've got there is some shrink tubing, and I've got an inline lead. Then I've got the thing what you normally put on top of your lead, back to front, and then the swivel goes into that. Then that slides up. That'll, when the fish take it, that'll slide up the line. If anything happens, that'll snap off the line, or the inline will go. I mean, if you want links to that, that was from ESP. I think I've got ESP line on, which is £15. Put a number 4 behind the pop up as well, so it just sits off the shot. So I've got to put us in number 4, so so the hook is sitting flat, and then that's sitting above that.
You know I'm right. 날 상대하지 마. 재미없잖아. You know that I don't wanna be with somebody less refined. 네 모델 love, you ain't enough. No sorry, 그냥 가라. You gotta level up. You make me feel that I 너 때문에 losing all my mind, yeah. 그냥 놓고 미쳐버려, oh you made me. 너만 바라봐, my one and only. Yeah, I'm the fine, make you mine. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco. Loco, loco. Love me loco. Loco, loco. Let me loco. 난 어디 가도 빛나는 crown. If you wanna play then level up, level up. Up, up, up. You wanna feel the love. You know I'm right. 날 상대하지 마. 재미없잖아. You know that I don't wanna be with somebody less refined. 네 모델 love, you ain't enough. No sorry, 그냥 가라. You gotta level up. You make me feel that 너 때문에 losing all my mind, yeah. 그냥 놓고 있어 미쳐버려, oh you made me. 너만 바라봐, my one and only. Yeah, I'm a fine, make you mine. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love me loco, love me, love me, love me, love me. La 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 la. La di di da la 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 la. ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic.
Right, we're currently on day 3, for the last day and night. I've had a tent this morning, but we're still putting the bait out there. Hopefully something will show, but it's been really hot during the day. Completely changed with weather really since I caught the 25-pound PB. Come on, get in. It's only took 5 years. I've been on 19.10 for the last 5 years and been good. Kev's had nothing, not even a bleep. A few people around the lake have had a few. I think the 18 was about 2 nights ago, sorry. And a 30 I think came out. But I'm fishing over particles still. I've got 2 now over particles on that little, I'll show you as well, on that little topper. I'll put that in the video. As I say, please like and share. I'll keep making them. Let me know, you know, how long you want to have the videos for. You know, if you all do it for 15 minutes, or I can do it for 30 minutes, I can do it for an hour. You seem to like the last one, which was an hour before. If that's too long, just leave a comment down there and I'll try and work it out how to, because I'm your feedback, and I mean I'm just doing what I normally do every year. This was my sort of session every year. But come on, bring on more fish. But the tent was about £4.5. But we'll keep cracking on. And there we go. Come on, bring it on. You know. Guess what broke this? Because I think it's either a cray or a pike. A 25-pound boom, that is. Ready side korda. That's either a cray. That's bit me off. No sign of a bite, but it took my hook and off my rig. So I can give you a better look. So that's a ready tied korda rig, 25-pound boom. Bit through it, or snap through it.
Feel heavy.
That's £4, £4 or £5.
Yeah.
315.
That's smaller than it.
Oh no. 4.6.
4.6.
4.6.
Just remember that so I can write it down.
Check. Yeah, 4.6.
Alright.
Cool. Just make sure we can have one.
Not confirming.
Just make sure I'm on that screen over there.
Yeah.
I am, huh? Let's have a look.
Yeah, you're right in the middle.
Cool. Tench. 4. What did you say? 4.6. Cool. Lovely. Go for it.